Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Many people hear the words Agile and Scrum and assume they mean the same thing. This confusion is very common. In the next few minutes, we'll clear it completely. By the end, you'll know exactly what Agile is, what Scrum is, and how they are different. Let's start with Agile. Agile is not a process, Agile is not a list of steps. Agile is a mindset, or you can say a way of thinking about work. When you follow Agile, you believe that change is normal. You believe learning early is better than guessing everything upfront. You believe people and collaboration matter more than rigid plans. Agile thinking says this: do small work, get feedback quickly, learn from it, and improve continuously. Instead of creating one big plan and sticking to it no matter what happens, Agile encourages adapting as new information comes in. So, in one simple line, Agile means adapting to change instead of blindly following a fixed plan. That is the heart of Agile. It lives in how people think, how they make decisions, and how they respond to problems. Now that Agile is clear, let's talk about Scrum. Scrum is not Agile itself, Scrum is a framework. A framework is a structured way of working. Scrum exists to help teams apply the Agile mindset in daily work. If Agile is the way you think, Scrum is one way you organize your work to match that thinking. Scrum gives clear structures. It defines roles, events, and a working cycle. This structure helps teams stay focused, deliver regularly, and improve step by step while staying true to Agile values. Scrum has three main roles. The product owner decides what is the most important to build first. This role focuses on value and priorities. The developers are the people who actually build the product. The Scrum Master helps everyone understand Scrum, removes obstacles, and supports the team in working smoothly. Scrum also works in short time cycles called sprints. A sprint usually lasts 1 to 4 weeks. During a sprint, the team plans the work, meets briefly every day to check progress, reviews what was built, and then reflects on how to work better next time. Each sprint ends with something useful that can be shown and reviewed. This repeating cycle makes Scrum practical. It turns Agile thinking into visible action. Now let us clearly compare Agile and Scrum. Agile is the mindset. It describes values and principles. It answers how you should think about work. Scrum is a framework. It provides a method to put that thinking into practice. Agile is flexible thinking. Scrum is a structured way of working. Agile can exist without Scrum, but Scrum only works properly when teams truly follow the Agile mindset. So remember this one message: Agile is a mindset or philosophy. Scrum is a framework or method used to apply Agile. If you understand this, the confusion disappears. I believe this video cleared the ambiguity around how Scrum differs from Agile. Thank you.